Hello and welcome. As we all know, the schools are opening soon, and since the students had been away for quite some time, I have come up with a list of some 10 very good activities that I believe the children will enjoy as they try to catch up with the learning. At home, just merrymaking and playing with friends and colleagues. Activity number one is painting and crafting. Start that with some creativity. Let the kids paint and craft to express their holiday memories. Visualize children painting with brushes and glitter covered crafts. Activity number two is storytelling. Bring stories to life with fun storytelling session, costumes, and puppets that make it extra magical. This will not only help them remember what they did, but also bring it to life with creativity as they make those puppets and the clothing. Activity number three is educational board games. Make learning fun with educational board games. We can see a group of children playing a very simple game, but on the board, this will help them remember how to read words, help them remember how to pronounce sounds, and also name different activities. The other activity is a building block. For those of us with learners with special needs, building blocks will help them a lot because apart from bringing them back to school, they will also help them to cope with the new environment that they may have forgotten as they cope with their friends and colleagues in classes and in school at large. The other activity is music and dance. Music is therapy, even for both you and I. So let children play, let them dance, let them show you how they did over the holiday, but expressing self through music and dance. The other one is show and tell. Let them share something special from home to show and tell during the lesson. This can be type of food they did, images they took, among others. The other activity is science experiment. Despite the age of the children, let them do some simple age-based experiment. You can use activities like items like vinegar and baking soda to bubble up. Another one is classroom decoration. This one will be attached to the paintings and craftings and making of puppets. But let them decorate class to bring in that inner child in them that helps them to be the real they are. The other last activity is the outdoor games. End the week with outdoor fun and team building activities. This will help them bond with their friends, with their classmates and schoolmates at large. Above all, be the innovative teacher, the active teacher who will be there to come up with activities to help these kids. Take care.